Mickey Mouse Clubhouse is made possible by...
When your huge groups of children form the biggest friendships with others, a world of learning comes to life. abcmouse.com, Early Learning Academy. Proud supporter of PBS Kids and Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
Fun for everyone makes a family strong. Chuck E. Cheese's proudly supports PBS Kids.
For over 90 years, Stride Right's been there. From the first wobbly walk to the first day of school, helping you choose the right shoes. Stride Right through every step. Stride Right is a proud sponsor of Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
Your kids' days are packed with adventure. PBS is committed to the development of children in a creative and inspirational way, and Pottery Barn Kids is proud to sponsor their efforts to encourage exploration and discovery. Together, we're creating a happier, healthier home.
And by the Arthur Vining Davis Foundations, dedicated to strengthening America's future through education. A cooperative agreement from the U.S. Department of Education through the Corporation for Public Broadcasting's Ready to Learn grant. And by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
Additional funding provided by the National Endowment for Children's Educational Television and the National Endowment for the Humanities, with significant foundation support from the Helena Rubinstein Foundation, a longtime supporter of outstanding children's television.